Hello everybody and welcome to Busy Brain Tinkering with me, Anders Wadman. Today I thought I was gonna make a storage rack for all my sheet goods that today looks like this. That's not very effective. Also I have some up in the roof right there. So that needs some taking care of. I cheated a bit and already ripped some spare lumber, I guess, I had laying around. Just ordinary construction lumber. 45 by something down to 45 by 45 or 2 by 2 in inches. Okay, so now that I've cut everything up, including this will be the bottom, like a shelf of some sort, and these three are just sort of stabilizers, I guess. And now I have a lot of notches to cut out. So bring on the jigsaw and the router. Well, looks like this one is ready for wire brush and paint, and we have as close to a perfect fit as close as a perfect fit as it gets. These came out amazing, I believe. White. Yeah, I like it. I usually paint everything black just by default, but also I got some wheels. So I would say it's almost time for a sort of a final assembly. First, I'm gonna knock off some of the corners. I don't watch very much YouTube, but a substantial part of what I watch is other makers, and I gotta admit, their shop look a lot better than mine. But this is, to me at least, a really big step in the right direction. I like it. I managed to fit almost all of my sheet goods in here. I have some big sheets that doesn't fit below the roof. It's quite a low roof here. Now that concludes this project. It is done. I will not put any finish on it. I will not put any finish on this one because I like it as it is, and it's supposed to be practical. It's supposed to be a shop utility. As far as you guys, I hope you will subscribe and like, and also check out my Instagram account where I will be posting a lot more frequently than these time-consuming videos. And until next time, see ya!